family, friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Well, I want you guys to say hello to Chris. Yeah, Chris-9Y4D Delta. We are going down there to do a little maintenance on his antennas. The big old hex beam up there, man, has been leaning for so long. I am so sorry, but he's got some good help. He's got some good help down there. So let's go ahead and take a look, see how us Caribbean hands, how we handle things down here, get stuff all sorted out. This is Ira Harris here with you on this beautiful day, y'all.
All right, hex beam. I was hanging on the side, safely on the ground. 9Y4D down there. That's the 2-meter beam here now to take down. Right. Ooh, San Fernando Hill. Nice. Ooh, the Gulf of Paria. Easy day. Sahara dust. Ah, beautiful view of palms. Ooh. Yeah, my hand shaking, not the breeze. Chris antennas. EME for 144 megahertz. Nice. Alright, Leonia 9Z4B. I'm back up on 9Y4D Chris's 50-foot aluminum tower. Got the pipe mast back up. And doing some servicing to the truss bearing plates. Some rust remover on top of the place and re-greasing as well. Oh, this one here. Nice pump and thing there. And nice view today of the ocean, the Gulf of Paria. Yep, all set of Sahara dust here today. And look around in the San Fernando Hill, kind of covered by some dust, so smoke. Actually, that is the mountains up in Water Spain. We see it. Yeah. Yep. Give an indication of how high up here is. Yeah, that is actually mountains up there in the background. Sounds like somewhere in that direction. Alright. So, when I finish up the subplate, pipe master, just doing some final touches to the hex beam. Did a little work on it earlier, clean it up nice. Changing on some rivets, some bolts. Probably maybe next week. This hex beam back up on the top of this tower. Right. Hex beam back up.
Right, the hex beam is back up. Straighter, way straighter than before. A 9Z4BM up there. EME array has to be refurbished as well at some point in time. That 6-element 6-meter beam is going to come off and go below hex beam. Hex beam mast still has to raise about another 6 foot, I guess, or 5 foot. So the 6-element beam will go under that. When we repair the 2-meter beam, we'll be putting it on this tower here with the 4-element 6-meter beam and also the Explorer 14. May not put the 4-element back up, I'm not sure yet.